How to create a plant-based lifestyle store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by showing you how you can create your own account. So here, open a new window and then enter Shopify to proceed to creating your account. And here click on the first link, then click on start free trial, then enter your email, and then you will have your account created. Then you'll proceed to your dashboard, which will be this one. So here in your dashboard, you can control everything about your account or your online store. So here in your left, you have a lot of buttons where you can check everything about your online store, from orders to products. Here in the products, you can add new products or you can import new ones from the other platforms. And here you have the customers, content, you have the analytics. If you want to check the analytics of your store, how many sales you've made today, the sales that you've made by channel, the online store conversion rate, the online store sessions, total orders, the average order value, which we call the AOV. And here you can see the other analytics. And here you have the marketing and discounts. Then you have the online store. It's where you can change everything about your theme and how your online store is looking like. So here, by clicking on view your store, you will be able to see how it's looking like, the theme that you're using, and everything about it. So let's go back to start optimizing our store. So here, you will not have the Sense theme installed by default. You will have Dawn, which is the theme that you will have installed by default, Dawn version 12.000. And here you can see the popular free themes. If you want to change the theme, you will just scroll down, click on visit the theme store. And here you will be able to find a theme that you would like to use. So here we have a lot of paid themes, but also we have some 12 free themes. So here, if you have a good budget, you can use the paid ones, and if not, you can use the free themes. So here, as you can see, we have a lot of themes, and by scrolling up, you can filter by free to see just the free themes. So here, you can check the theme. For example, if you like this theme, for example, you can just click on the theme, then scroll down, click on view demo store to see how the theme is looking like. So this is how the theme will be if you installed it in your store. And here you can see the phone version. This is how it will be looking in the phone, as you can see. And if you like the theme, you can just click on try theme, and then it will be installed on your dashboard. So let's close this one and let's move on to customize the theme that we already installed. So here, click on customize. And guys, in the platform, you will notice that it's very easy to customize your online store. You'll just need to drag and drop. Just click on whatever you want to change. For example, if I want to change the announcement bar, I will just click on it, and here I will be able to change the color, make the auto rotate announcement on or make it off, enable the country or region selector in the announcement bar. You can also enable the language selector as well. And here you can change the theme settings. You can add your links. So here, by making this auto rotate announcement turned on, I will show you what it's used for. So here, let's change the text written in the announcement bar. Let's go with free shipping this week. And then let's add another announcement in here. Let's go with 50% off today. And here, watch it in here, you will see that it will be rotating between free shipping this week and 50% off today every 5 seconds. So that's what the auto rotate announcements is used for. You can add as many announcements as you'd like, and you can hide whatever you like. You can hide them both to hide the announcement bar, or you can show them both. And then we move on to the header. So here, go first to the theme settings to add your logo. So here you can select image if you have already created your logo and you have it in your desktop files. For me, I'm going just to explore the free images. I'm going to choose a free image in here for a planned based lifestyle store logo. So here I'm going to go with food, for example. I'm going to choose a food in here. I'm going to choose this one, for example, to be my logo. And here click on select. Then you can change the width of the logo in here. So let's make it this width, for example, 100 pixels. And here you can add also a fav icon image. And the fav icon image is this one. It's the one showing on the window, like the Shopify button in here. That's a fav icon of Shopify. So you can add the logo again in here, and just make sure to add it in small pixels or small sizes to fit the fav icon. And then let's go back to the sections, and here let's change the desktop logo position to the middle center or the middle left. And here let's leave it in the middle left. And here you can choose if you want a sticky header to go with you when you go down, or if you want it to be none, to not move, to stay where it is. So here, guys, it's easy to work on the platform. Just make sure to click on save to save the changes that you make, and that's it. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.